Hello friends, this is Aisharan you watching Never Settle channel. Friends, this is the last video of this year because it is December 31st. So that's why I wanted to share some thoughts on this day with you. Okay. Uh, I stopped doing videos from a month because I have extra work in office. I don't have time to do videos, that's why I stopped. uh, Today I will share my this year thoughts because I got a job in this year, but I'm not satisfied with the job. I think it is the worst year of my life. I learned a lot. Learned a lot of things in this year, but I think I will do more, but I didn't do that things in this year. That's why it's bad year for me. So I decided to uh, do more things in 2024. I need to restart everything because I stopped the course, the JavaScript, the React course. I stopped the JavaScript in middle, so I need to start from there. I need to complete the JavaScript and React and Node.js and everything. And also, I want to learn more technologies like Next.js and Flutter and React Native and some other technologies also. And also, I want to learn DSA also because in the job market uh, we need to know about the technology and also DSA, because without DSA you can't survive in this industry, because every company will ask you a DSA question in interviews. Almost every company will ask you DSA question in interviews. So that's why we need to learn a DSA also, practice DSA also. It is the main point. My plans for next year is I want to learn more technologies. I am now perfect in React, not perfect, good. It's good to know. uh, it's good in React. I i want to learn more React, and also I want to learn Node.js. I did some projects on Node.js, but I didn't do any extraordinary project on Node.js, so I want to do a project on Node.js, and also I want to learn Flutter also. And I wanted to think, I am thinking that I will learn DSA also in this next year. And also I will complete the course next year. Definitely I will complete the course next year. I will take I will give time to do videos. Definitely the world is changing, AI is coming, jobs will go. So that's why we need to learn new technologies and new AI tools also. uh, Definitely, jobs will taken by AI, but new jobs are created. New jobs will be created. So we need to learn AI tools, and we need to learn all technologies for the new generation. I'm not looking good because I grow, it's grow my beard, and also I need to do some haircut also. So let's start the new year with new Josh. Okay, that's it for the day 2023, last day of my video. I'm in hostel. Bye bye, next year मिलते हैं.